Are you working on any complex projects and your product owner or project managers demanding you to upload hundreds, thousands of work items or issues in Jira? For doing one by one, it's easy where you can manage it very easily. But if it is required to create hundreds or thousands of issues in Jira without having any interface, probably it will be difficult. Where you have to spend a lot of time, but worry not. I will tell you the easiest way how you can create issues in bulk. So welcome to raikulkul.com. In this video, we'll talk about bulk issue import in Jira, which is very important when we are working with bigger team and the bigger size of projects. If you're new to this channel, feel free to hit like and subscribe button. I used to create lot of videos on project management tool like Jira and Rally. If you wanted to learn Jira from scratch, please watch my complete playlist on Jira. I will include the URL in description tab. If you have any questions, feel free to add in the comment sections. To start with this, here, if we can see, we have couple of user stories available, close to 17. If you wanted to add all user story one by one, it will consume lot of time. I will tell you the easiest way where how you can upload or import bulk issues. This is the Excel data or the format which you are using, or we can also call as template. Majorly you have to stick with the templates. If you're using any other templates, probably it will not work. That makes just to have in CSV file. Here we have summaries, assignee ID, reporter ID, priority, status, created, updated, due date, custom fields, and resolutions field. We wanted to create issues with these data. I will just quickly change some of the data informations and then we'll proceed it further. At the end, for easiest approach, I'm just adding some name so that it will have some meaningful. Our data point is ready. We have these details. I wanted to import or create all those issues together. Simply, you have to go to Jira board or Jira platform, and for doing that you need to have superior permissions for bulk operations, because bulk operation is not working for all these user. If we have the junior permissions, probably it will not work. In this case, this is my issues. I wanted to go ahead with the list view, or maybe I will select some other projects. This is my entire project list. I wanted to go ahead with the company managed projects. Navigate to all work, and from here go to bulk change issues or import issues from CSV. Bulk change is majorly used for updating records in bulk. Here we wanted to create issue. That's the reason we are using import issues from CSV. This is my CSV file which I have stored. We'll click on open. It will upload the file and go to next. If you have any existing configurations, better you can select it, else we are good with other prospects. File encoding is UTF-8, delimiter is comma, and date format will be same. Now we'll click on next. What all fields we wanted to map it? Whichever fields I don't want to map it, I will just keep it, don't map this field. Else we'll add assignee. So assignee should be mapped with assignee. I will check this one. Assignee ID, if you have, we can add it. Else skip that. Create it. These all fields are not required. Issue type, I wanted to map with the story. Issue ID is not required for this. Issue key, if you have any, let me add this as don't map. Priority will be mapped with priority because we have field priority. Next will be reporter. Reporter will be with reporter name, and ID. I wanted to add ID from this. Here, this is my reporter ID, and Maybe I will add with this. Okay, let me skip with this one. Resolutions or status will be mapped with status. We don't have this field. Summary with summary field, and that's it. We wanted to have these details mapped and then click on next. So issue type is story, high priority, and here we will add the assignee name with my ID. And these are the issues item which I wanted to upload. So you can see summary, all those details, and this will be mapped with this one. After that, I will click on begin import. It will start importing the informations, which is quick enough, and within fraction of seconds, you'll find it out. All the issues will be imported. We'll check reporter specified is not a user. So here we'll go back and this will add this name and let me begin. We cannot see any fields as a name of reporter. That's the reason it's not defined. Then let me see reporter. Oh, I did not selected this one. And then I will also map with this reporter will add because that's a mandatory required field. Okay, so this is ID will be this one. That's correct. And now let's begin. So you can see it's a very quick informations. If we have selected a right set of fields, probably it will be very easiest way where we can import the issues. And now you can see 0 projects and 14 work items imported successfully. Here, if we want, we can check the created issues. What all created issues we have. As of now, I selected detail view, but when you will navigate to this, you can see whichever issues item we have added into the Excel, all the data will be available here. Let me make it to little smaller. You can see user story 13 store 45 23, then 34 44 56 690 56 44. These all items are there. It's very easy and quick way where we can import it. And after importing, you can also see when you will navigate to the project sections. In the projects also, you will see the entire boards with the data. Here we will see the all projects and we'll click on this, and inside the backlog, we have all those issues imported. So consider your project manager is demanding you to create lot of issues quickly. It is the easiest way where we can import the issue items from the CSV file, which is very easy and quickest way to import it. If you have configurations file saved, those all mapping will be not required. If we did not saved any configuration, probably we have to do the mapping every time. So you have to make sure that if you're using same configuration setting again and again, then you can save this and start using those configurations for your further or future import issues. That's all from today. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. And question for you, how regularly you will utilize this functionality, or you think so we can have something better than this in Jira? Please add in the comment sections. I'm also one of the community leader in Atlassian ecosystem. Any feedbacks which you will share with me will be directly navigated to the Atlassian product owners. That's all from today. Hope you enjoyed. We'll see you in next video. Thank you for watching.